Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I wanted to show you all how I wrap up my hair at night when I'm wearing a frontal, especially when I use Got2b freeze spray, but I do the same thing if I were to apply my wig with glue. I get this question a lot, or I get asked, like, how do you maintain your hair? How do you maintain your frontals? I've never done a video like this before, but I did want to show y'all. So instead of just telling you how I do it, I'll show y'all. If anybody wants to know about this hair is from UNice Hair. This is their body wave texture. I was sent a 24-inch 13x6 frontal wig, but it's like a lace front wig. So on the sides you get like an inch, yeah, about an inch of parting space, but then here in the middle you get 13x6, so it goes all the way to the back. So you do get a lot of parting space in the middle. And this is, I believe it's 180% density. If I am wrong, I will have the correct details in the description box. All right, the first thing I do is take my scarf and I tie my hairline. The hairline needs to be tied down, period, okay? Make sure everything is covered. Some people would just go to sleep like this. I do sometimes. I'm not gonna even front if I'm lazy or if I don't have my bonnet with me, if I can't find it. But I do have my bonnet. I have this long bonnet. I got this from my beauty supply store, okay? You can get this from Amazon. Yeah, I put it on. And then I grab all of my hair, tuck it in, and voila. Hey y'all, I'm back. I decided to come back to show you all how I pretty much, I guess, maintain my hair in the morning or refresh my hair in the morning if I need to do any like lace touch up or bumping out my hair. So I'm going to show you guys that. Again, I did show y'all my night routine, how I wrap my hair. I still have my bonnet on. Not sure if I showed you all last night, but when I shower, one thing I like about this cap, when I take a shower, I'm able to put it up like this. Where's the thing? Yeah, I'm able to put it up and snap it. So boom, I can take my shower and my hair is not like on my back. So I love this bonnet so much, it comes in handy. But okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I put my scarf a little further back so it could flatten out this top, because like I told y'all in like my previous video that this wig in the top, in the crown area, or in like this area, it was a little thick, so I wanted to flatten it out some. All right y'all, so this is how we're looking. I don't have to do too much. My lace is still down. I'm gonna take my hot comb and press out the top. I get the question a lot while I'm thinking about it. I do get the question a lot about how long does the Got2b freeze spray last for me if I sleep in my wigs. If I keep my wig installed and sleep in it, the longest I've had my wig on with the Got2b freeze spray is like 5 days. And to be honest, when I took it off, it was really because I was ready to take it off. Now granted, sometimes you do have to touch up your end pieces, or you know, you may have a little flyaway. Just take a little bit goes a long way with this. Just take a little bit and spray it on top, and just go with your blow dryer, put it on cool, and set it right back. It's like the easiest way to like maintain your wig. Take a little Got2b freeze spray and just hit that so it can stay behind my ear. Alright, so now I got that pressed out. Now I'm gonna go in and just bump out my hair. You know, I don't have to do much. I'm gonna just take my Cheese Silk Infusion just to add a little shine. If I can get some out, I need some of this. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much what I do, especially when I'm wearing straight hair, of course. But yeah, I'm able to maintain my hair quick and easy. I can get up out the door, whoop-de-whoop-whoop. I'm all bumped out and ready to go. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns for me, y'all know y'all can leave them down below and I will get to you all as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.